My name is Kylie.
Hi, my name is Michael.
Hello, my name is Kayla. Hello, my name is Owen.
Hello, welcome back to the Creative Arts Room where we host our Cyzner cast. I am Mr. Shane and I am here with the Modern Media Group. Go ahead and tell them your name.
My name is Michael.
My name is Kylie.
My name is Kayla.
And we are the Modern Media Group. We are missing Owen at the moment, but he'll be back soon to share with us. This is the month of December, and what happens in the month of December? Go ahead. Hanukkah does. That's good, Michael. What else? What else happens in December?
Hanukkah.
Well, Michael said Hanukkah. What else happens? Hanukkah. What else, Caleb? What else happens? Kwanzaa. That's true. Y'all are awesome. Well, what about Christmas? Christmas happens in December too, right?
Yeah.
Lots of things happen in December. And this is what we call our holiday time. And let's go around the table and share some things we do with our family during the holiday time. Carly, what is one thing that you really like that you do with your family during the holiday time?
We like to do our family, and I like to help Mommy and Daddy and Clara help wrap the presents with cake, and we set up the Christmas tree, and it's a beautiful stuff. And it's Christmas time on December.
Yay!
And the Christmas tree has ornaments on it, and stockings and bells and ornaments ball and candy canes and stockings.
Oh, I bet it's so pretty.
And it's the start of it's in its winter and it's cold outside and the creators of our room and we set up the Christmas tree.
Well, that is wonderful. So you wrap all the presents and you set up the Christmas tree and put all the ornaments on there and you enjoy it on the cold winter nights. That's cool. So let's go around. And Michael, what do you like to do with your family?
Play in the snow.
Play in the snow. Who here likes snow?
I
like
do.
saying, Caleb, do you like it when it snows?
Yes.
Yes. And then what do you do in the snow? What's your favorite thing to do in the snow, Michael?
You can do snow angels.
Snow angels, yes, those are cool. And Caleb, what is something you like to do with your family during the holiday time?
We like to do some presents.
Presents are fun, aren't they? They're fun to get presents, but it's also fun to give presents, right? Are you going to give some presents this year?
Yes.
Oh, cool. Who are you giving presents to?
Jaden, Mom, Dad, and myself.
Oh, great. Are you going to give yourself a present?
Uh-huh.
Oh, well, that's always important to remember yourself. And Michael, did you have something to add?
Under the weather forecast, say it's going to snow anytime.
You know what? I'm going to go ahead and predict that it will snow this winter. Okay?
Okay.
So, because you know why? Because I really hope it does. I love it when it snows.
Me too.
Yay. You know what's really good when it snows?
What?
Is to sit by the fire and drink hot chocolate.
Yeah.
And watch cool movies.
What about roast marshmallows?
Roast marshmallows.
Marshmallows and we love to watch and we love to watch the people setting up the Christmas tree and putting ornaments on the Christmas tree. And we like to play in the snow.
Yeah.
And the children play in the snow with the snowman in it.
The children play in the snow, and you know what? Adults like to play in the snow too. All right, well, very good. Well, I really enjoyed our conversation about what we do in the holiday time. Now, we have discussed earlier, and we voted on the top 3 things we could do to help others during the holiday time, because there are some people that aren't as fortunate as us that they may not have a family to share the holidays with, or it may be very cold outside and they don't really have a warm place to go. Some of them could even be children. What is something that we could do to help out our fellow friends who might need a little help? Carly?
The children pick up the snow and they make a snowman and they put the Christmas tree up and
Okay, so what's something we can do to help others? Michael?
We could give them a present for Christmas.
You know what you could? You could remember someone else and give them a present. And going along with what Carly just was saying, you know what we could do? We could play with them and spend time with them.
What about
It is spend time with somebody that we normally don't spend time with. Carly, join us here. And Caleb, what is something that we could do?
we could wrap a present.
You wrap the presents, make them very nice. That's very good, Caleb, because you want them to feel special, right? What's something else, Michael?
We could say, "Would you like to be my friend?"
Oh, that's so nice. You could be friends with somebody. There's nothing that makes you feel more special than to have somebody who wants to be your friend. So let's remember during this time when we're enjoying the holidays to remember others that may be less fortunate than ourselves, okay? All right, good job, guys. I'm very proud of you. We'll see you back here in a minute. We're going to cut over to our next segment of the December Cyzner cast. Bye.
Bye.
Hello, welcome back to the Creative Arts Room. You have caught us today on Pajama Day. We all wore our pajamas and we watched the Polar Express here at the Cyzner Institute. Did y'all enjoy the Polar Express? It's one of my favorites. Well, you know what's one of my favorite parts of Polar Express?
What?
Is that it takes place while it's snowing outside.
Well, that's my favorite part too.
That's my favorite part too.
My favorite part when he has a bow tail.
Oh, wow. I like when they serve the hot chocolate.
My favorite one is playing in the snow.
Yes. What's your favorite in the movie, Michael?
That's what the beginning.
The beginning?
When he hears the sound.
The bells?
Yeah, and he goes, choo choo.
Oh, yeah. What is your favorite part, Caleb, of Polar Express?
My favorite.
You didn't have a real favorite part? Let's listen to what Caleb
That's
has.
my favorite.
Okay, well, let's listen to what Caleb has to say. You didn't have a favorite part? Okay. So you just liked all of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's good. That's good. That's what we like about our favorite movies. Well, we're going to create our own snow here today, as we've already done before we did our own snowflakes. So we're going to show everybody at home how we make our own snowflakes. So all we need is one piece of paper. It doesn't have to be white, but most snow is white, right? Yeah. We're going to take this end, one end, and we're going to fold it like this into a triangle. And then you want to cut off, so you want to make sure that your parents are okay, that you're using the scissors. If not, get them to help you with the scissors. And you're just cutting that extra part off, okay? And then you have a triangle. It doesn't have to be perfect because all snowflakes are different. Then you basically choose how many times you want to fold it, okay? So then you take one end and you meet the other end and then you crease it. And then you can do it again. Y'all want to do it one more time?
Yeah.
Alright, then we will do it again. Okay? So it looks like that. A little triangle. Then you make your decision on where you want to cut it. So, Carly, do you want me to cut it here, here, or here? Point. On this one? Okay. Owen, do you want me to cut it here, here, or here? Right there. Okay. So when we cut it in the long part, we want to cut it a few times, and we're cutting little triangles in it, okay? Now some people get really crazy and cut little designs, but you know, we're just keeping it simple here. Caleb, where do you want me to cut it next?
You could create a C right here.
Right here, you want me to do like a little C? Here we go. We'll do like a little half circle. Michael, are you tired? You are. It's been a long day. Michael, where would you like for me to cut it next? Right here? So we'll do like a little triangle right there so we don't cut it off. All right. Are we ready to see our snowflake?
Yes.
Here's the Modern Media Group snowflake. Oh, I see cool designs in there. How cool.
Can I see it,
Of
please?
course. Do you see?
It's as simple as that.
It's as simple as that. So look, we have our very own snowflake. And just like everybody, all snowflakes are unique. There's not one that's exactly alike,
I
right?
made him the
And
same.
you know what? We can wear it as a hat. Or we
Hey,
can wear it
that's
as
no
a
fun,
mask.
'cause I think I was pretty good. Okay.
All right, thank you very much for joining us. Everybody say goodbye. Owen, did you want to try?
Now,
Okay, hello, my name is Carly. And then
hello,
you're saying I made a snowflake for December.
hello, my name is Carly and I made the snowflake for December.
Very
My name's Michael, and I made a Rudolph out of popsicle sticks and glitter and crayons. My name is Caleb, and I colored a gingerbread man so no one would eat it.
Good, Kayla.
Very good.
Hello, my name is Owen. Here's my snowflake, and I made for the winter.
Yeah. Hello, welcome back to our Not So Round Table here at the Cyzner Institute. We have our special guest here today, and it is none other than Dr. Lisa Cyzner. Let's give it up. All right, and Dr. Cyzner, we have a few questions that we have prepared for you. Carly, what is your question that you have for Dr. Cyzner?
What is your favorite color?
That's a good question, Carly. I actually have two favorite colors. One is blue, and one is purple.
Oh, nice. Caleb, what is your question?
What is your favorite movie?
Wow, that's also a good question. I probably have a lot of favorites, but I recently saw a movie called St. Vincent, and it was about a little boy and his relationship with a man who became his friend and helped teach him all kinds of things about this world. So I think I would say for now it's St. Vincent.
Nice. And Michael, what is your question?
What is your favorite food?
Ooh, that's also a good one. I think my favorite food would have to be trail mix. Do you know what that is?
No.
It's a mixture of nuts and all kinds of sweet dried fruits put together. Sometimes a little bit of chocolate in there. That's my favorite. That's my favorite food and probably my favorite
Is there any
snack.
type of cake you like?
You know what? I don't usually like to eat cake very much, but let's see. If I had a choice, is that what you're asking me? If I had to choose, I would probably choose a chocolate cheesecake.
Yeah. Well, thank you. Do you have any questions for us? Well, Carly, we're going to ask Dr. Cyzner if she has any questions for us.
Well, I'd actually like to know what you've learned in modern media. What are some of the things that you've been learning with Mr. Shane?
We surgery, Mr. Shane puts on the size of the cast on our tooth and it's size of the cast me don't have one not so long table and they
So we have our not so round table discussions, right? Very good. And Caleb, did you have something you wanted to add? What have you learned in modern media?
I learned that you should. I learned that modern media was so great.
Oh, well, good. Well, I'm glad that
That's
you've
good
had
to hear.
fun. Good. And Michael, what's been one of your favorite things that you've learned in modern media?
I learned that when he says "find on set in action,"
And what does that mean?
it means put your hands in your lap and you get ready. And when Mr. Shane tells you to speak, you speak.
Okay.
Wow.
Very
It
good.
sounds like you've been learning a lot here.
Yes, it is.
Very
That's
good.
great.
Well, I have a question for Dr. Cyzner. What made you want to work with children?
Oh, that's a really good question. Well, I used to go to work with my mother, who was an occupational therapist, and she worked with kids just like you. And that is what made me decide that I wanted to work with kids too.
Oh, very nice. Did you have something you wanted to add, Carly?
something to add a question and Dr. Teresa says and they work on the kids upstairs and with people everywhere and they work on learning at school and then they learn about school. It's and think Miss Dr. Teresa work with my friends like me
I get to work with all
You
the
got to
students
work with
here.
all the students and your friends.
and we work on all the students and friends.
Well, nice. So let's tell Dr. Lisa Cyzner. Did y'all know that she is the owner and founder of the Cyzner Institute? Did y'all know that?
No, he did
You
not.
didn't know that?
No.
Well,
I
she
didn't know that.
is. If it wasn't for Dr. Lisa, we wouldn't be here right now, okay? So let's give her a round of applause. And thank you for taking time out of your schedule
Oh, you're
to be here with
welcome.
us
Thank
today.
you for the great questions.
And we'll see you back in just a little bit. Bye.
Out.
Jingle bell, jingle all the time. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the time. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the time. Jingle bell, jingle all the time. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle all the time.
All right.
Have a very nice Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Happy Hanukkah.
Happy